New loans lines, obviously oral or written requests for those are going to be included. I kind of talked about this earlier. For originations, you count refinances, so too for reporting. So what's a refinance? I think this is something that a lot of people are having questions on, especially in the commercial lending world. If I have, I'll just use this here. If this is my current loan A on the books, and it's got its own loan number, okay? And we're going to take this loan A and we're going to tear it up and we're going to replace it with a new legal obligation. So we tore up this legal obligation and are replacing it with this one. Whether you keep the loan number the same or not is irrelevant. Okay, but you took this legal obligation and replaced it with this one. That is a refinance every time. If we simply take this legal obligation here and we're going to leave it in place and we attach something to it and have the customer sign, and maybe it extends the maturity date, maybe even it adds new money, okay, that's a modification, not the same as a refinance. Now, some modifications have to be collected and reported on. No modification will be counted towards the origination. Remember, they decided to exclude it here and include it here, just the way they wrote the rule. But make sure you don't leave out those refinances. Again, loan number doesn't matter. What you call it doesn't matter. In our meeting last week that we have with our membership group, one of the things that I think might help is there are modifications. Again, we have this existing loan A and we attach something to it. A modification. And then there are refinances where we tear up and we replace. Okay. Don't get into the habit of referring to something as a renewal. When somebody asks me a question about a renewal, I say, all right, let's stop. When you say renewal, are you doing this, a modification, or are you doing that, a refinance? Because renewals aren't something by themselves. It's one or the other. Put it in one of those baskets and it'll get you where you need to go from a compliance standpoint. And that's not just a 1071 thing. That's not new today. Hey, there's a HMDA implication there. There's Reg B, traditional implications there, and other things as well. So make sure you get going down the right road with respect to modifications versus refinance. Don't use the term renewal because it's just going to get you in trouble.